Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential SEO task, adding meta descriptions to your WordPress website. Meta descriptions help search engines understand what your page is about and can encourage users to click through to your site. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can access this by going to your website.com/wp-admin and entering your credentials. To easily manage meta descriptions, you'll need an SEO plugin. Popular options include Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO pack. Let's use Yoast SEO for this example. Search for Yoast SEO in the search bar, then click Install Now and activate. Once activated, go to the plugin settings. For Yoast SEO, you'll find it under SEO in the left-hand menu. Here, you can configure general settings, but we'll focus on editing meta descriptions for individual posts and pages. Navigate to the post or page where you want to add a meta description. Click on Edit to open the editor. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box, usually found below the post editor. In the snippet preview section, you'll see fields for the SEO title and meta description. Enter your desired meta description here. Make sure your meta description is compelling and includes relevant keywords. It should be between 150 and 160 characters for optimal display in search results. Once you've added your meta description, click Update or Publish to save your changes. And that's it. Your meta description is now added to your post or page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.